Hello and welcome to Ask the Process Pro. In this program, we discuss the challenges that are faced by working professionals at their workplaces. On this video, I'm going to share with you the question that has been shared by Nitesh on Facebook. And Nitesh's question is, Hi Kaushik, I'm a banker working in private bank for last 5 years with a decent pay, but I want to move on to the corporate sector due to very high salaries offered there. I am 29, an engineer, and have had very little exposure to the IT related jobs. Would appreciate your advice on my career switch. So thank you, Nitesh, for reaching out to me with your question. Now, before I tell you what I think, it's important that we have the clarity and understanding of the situation. And the reason being, we don't want to take a call now that we have to regret later in the long term. Look, I have been part of the IT industry for 30 years and have seen and know many people who are unhappy with their work even after 30 years of their experience and given a choice would switch like you. So there are two parts to my advice based on the information that you shared. The first part would be to understand is it the job or is it you that needs change? Because if it's a job, then switching job, especially to IT sector, won't be easy, but with a bit of a time and effort will not be impossible. For that, you have to take broadly 5 steps. Number one, go to the job sites like Naukri, Hirist or LinkedIn, study the available opportunities, the skills and domain that are in demand in market, that you have some idea and interest in, and that you can learn and work on. Number two, learn the skill and acquire the knowledge by joining courses online and offline. Number three, also it would greatly help if you can manage to get some hands-on experience in your current workplace or by getting engaged in freelance activities in the same technologies and domains simultaneously while learning. And number four, work on creating a brand on social media, preferably LinkedIn, and project yourself as an expert in your current domain. And number five, apply for the specific jobs that matches 60% or more your eligibility and aspiration instead of applying randomly. So these are the broadly 5 action steps that are needed to be taken to switch to the IT sector jobs. However, the challenging part would be to deal with the situation where you need to change. Tell me, is it only the money or is there something else that is the motivation? Now, if it's only the money, then do you expect the same salary that a person of your age with experience in IT would get? Or would you be okay to get paid like a junior employee since you have little or no hands-on experience? Now, would you be motivated to do your job long enough when you'd see that your junior colleagues getting paid higher because of their greater industry experience? Now, there are few more questions that you need to have answers of before you take the career changing decision. Do you have an understanding of the work pressure, crisis situations, transfer related changes, job insecurities, difficult customers, working unruly hours, constant demand of keeping up with the speed of the technological advancements, the variable pay component of the salary that majority of the IT professionals have to deal with? If yes, then having come from a secured job from a banking sector, do you have the required level of mental and physical strength to cope up with these situations? Unless you have all the answers, switching industry might be proven to be a regrettable decision in the long term. Once you leave your current banking job, the door to return might be closed forever. So first you do a thorough research before you take the call. And from my side, I wish you all the best. Finally, there is a good news. I'm hosting a free webinar called Workplace Warrior Launchpad that could be really helpful in your situation. So in Workplace Warrior Launchpad, I will share with you the set strategies on how to secure interviews, reposition yourself and build a future-proof career path. And I would love to have you join. And those of you watching this video, if you are a working professional, especially working in a mid or senior level, then I would strongly recommend you to join Workplace Warrior Launchpad, where I focus on job insecurity besides many other workplace challenges. Please check the comment below for the link to join Workplace Warrior Launchpad. And of course, if you are facing any workplace challenge and want to discuss the same with me, please inbox me your challenge with your phone number and email ID, and I'll discuss your challenge in this program, of course, without disclosing your identity. So with this is Kaushik Majumdar signing off. Looking forward to see you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.